How to view Hilton Honors tier benefits on Hilton. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. For the Hilton Honors tier benefits, you will find different programs, offers, and these are member, silver, gold, diamond, and diamond reserve. And according to your tier, you'll find different benefits. As it's written in here, Hilton Honors tier status can be earned through eligible spend, and for the member benefits, you get all these options, which is free Wi-Fi points for every dollar spent on stays, best price guarantee, and the ability to choose your own room. And for the silver member benefits, you will find different level. It's above member, but you'll find other earned silver with 10 nights or 4 stays in 2500 USD in eligible spend, 20% elite tier bonus, and all these options. And for the gold member, you'll find earn gold with 25 nights and all these options according to the tier. And this is out of view Hilton Honors tier benefits on Hilton. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.